Hey contractors, do you need your Montana's contractor's license? It's the key to landing bigger jobs, building client trust, and staying 100% compliant. I'm Roselle with Contractors Liability, and today I'll show you how to get it done fast, from license types to application and insurance. So let's jump right in. First up, which license do you need? Unlike other states, Montana doesn't require a statewide general contractor's license. But if you're an electrician or plumber, you will need a state license from the Montana Department of Labor and Industries. General contractors follow local licensing rules, so check with your city or county building department. If you're in a specialized trade like roofing or HVAC, you may also need a local license, so it's best to double check before you start your work. So here's how to get your Montana contractor's license in 5 easy steps. Step 1, choose your license type. State, local, or both depending on your trade. Step 2, submit your application. State level applications go through the Montana Department of Labor and Industry. Local licenses, check with your city or county. Step 3, provide proof of insurance and bonding. This includes general liability insurance, workers' compensation if you have employees, and a surety bond if required. Step 4, pay the fees. State licenses cost between $150 to $300, while local fees vary. And step 5, pass any required exams. Electricians and plumbers must pass a state exam on trade knowledge and building codes. Once approved, you get your contractor's license and can legally start working on projects in Montana. So let's go over the insurance you'll need to secure your license. To get your Montana's contractor's license, you'll need general liability insurance, workers' compensation insurance if you have employees, and a surety bond if required for your specific trade. Liability insurance protects you from claims for property damage or bodily injury to third parties, while workers' comp covers employees' injuries. Surety bonds acts as a guarantee for contractual obligations. Your insurance certificate will look like this. It demonstrates your coverage and reassures your clients that you're professional and can be trusted. Do you need one? Click the link in the description for a fast insurance quote and secure your coverage today. And that's how you get your contractor's license in Montana. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe, and drop any questions you have in the comments and I'll be happy to answer them. For more step-by-step details, read the blog linked in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Stay safe and keep building with confidence.